Shelby Burton here. Thank you so much for coming to my YouTube channel. If I could stop you for one moment and make sure you click the subscribe button, please, and the little bell so that you'll get notified when there's new videos that come out. Hello! So I am super excited to share with you today training that I have been utilizing like crazy. And it's amazing because it is free, and I want to share a little sneak peek with you. So what this is our challenge, our 8-week challenge, and you do this after the 10-day challenge. So what is so awesome is I run a 10-day challenge every month. You can redo it over and over again. And same with the 8-week challenge. I love it because all the information is always there for you with live coaching. And yes, live coaching with Dolvett Quince. If you have never heard of them, then you must have never watched The Biggest Loser. But I have watched that many times, and I always wished, oh my gosh, if I just had a coach like him in my corner, how it would make things so much simpler, right? And I do think that calling this a challenge is somewhat crazy, but I do get that for a lot of us out there, that doing something consistently every day, even if it is as simple as drinking 2 drinks a day, it can be challenging. So that's why we call it a challenge, and that's why it's super awesome to have this coaching and to be able to stay on track. So I cannot wait to share this with you. And again, this is free coaching that we get that is part of the 8-week coaching. And we do this after we have done the 10-day. And you can do these over and over and over again as many times as you want. I run a 10-day challenge with the same platform and same doctors and coaching and everything like that every month. So this month it is June 2020. So if you're watching this right now, in the month of June, and it's before the 18th, reach out to me because that is my next 10-day challenge is June 18th, 2020. And I am super excited to do this with my friends and my colleagues and my business partners. So if you are watching this after June 18th, just make sure that you message me. The links are down below. And I will let you know when our next challenge is. But I hope you guys have a great time viewing a little bit of the training.
Hey guys, Justin Shaper here. We're live with a special guest. Super excited. This is week 1 of the 8-day drink ketone challenge. This is the challenge that you've been waiting for, the opportunity to completely transform your life and try to transform your body. And I'm super excited. I'm trying to hold back my excitement because I get to introduce one of your coaches. One of your coaches that has truly impacted people all around the world. His 20 years of experience in the health and fitness, human performance space, but he always leads with one big thing, and that's his heart, which is really cool. He's a best-selling author. He's been well known for his role in America's version of The Biggest Loser. For 12 years or 12 seasons, he's been their lead trainer. He's been a trainer that has absolutely transformed some of the biggest transformations in the world, or at least that we know of, right? And I'm super excited to get to introduce him. And it was really interesting because early on we were chatting a little bit about, where's his passion come from? Where's his heart come from? And there's somebody that's been decorated and recognized as a figurehead in this fitness industry, of somebody that bleeds passion to help others. That's somebody that has a high level of knowledge and awareness of how the body works, how nutrition works, but most importantly, how people work. And we're going through this 8-week challenge right now. And right now you're sitting at home, or maybe you're out with some friends and you're watching this going, is this going to work for me? Is this something that can help me? And I get the privilege to introduce Dolvett to you all. So I'm going to bring Dolvett on. Dolvett Quince is his name. You can Google him. It's just remarkable to have him in our corner to help support you through this 8 weeks. So as I bring Dolvett on, I want you to do this in this Facebook group. I want you to start giving him some love, giving him some chats, giving him some encouragement so that he can feel your excitement to have him coach you through this challenge. So Dolvett, you mind jumping on for me, please?
Hey, Dustin.
There he is, man. Hey, brother, I appreciate you hopping on with us. I appreciate you pouring in, but I want you to ask that one question before you give us some unbelievable nuggets, unbelievable content that I know you're going to share with us, is really where's that passion come from around helping people while being part of this 8-week challenge? Why are you with such recognition in the world? Why are you part of this challenge, and give people that love that you shared with me earlier?
Well, the first reason I'm a big ketones fan, always have been for a very long time. I think of all the programs out there that allow people to see tremendous change and last long. Ketones, in my mind, is number one. So that's part of the reason. The second reason, obviously, I built my entire life, my career on helping people, not just because I have that God-given ability, but more so because I understand and I can relate on a very high level, for my own personal reasons. Helping people helps me. So I'm doing my calling, if you will. For me, I get excited answering questions to those individuals who may know the answer, but just need that window cracked a little open so the light can come in. So I'm just happy to be here. I'm happy to answer any and all questions. I love it, brother. Bring it on.
Right on, man. Hey, well, here's the thing. We're week 1 into this 8-week challenge, and what I love from you to do is really how should people see their body moving through this process? Meaning, like, physically getting their body move. What would you encourage them? Because you know that people are on all different levels, and you've seen the extremes from the highest level athletes to the people that are literally looking up at like at the biggest mountain in front of them, trying to move their body. What's that tips? What's that insight that you can give them on how to move their body the most effective for them?
I would say don't go at it alone. You're not alone. Don't tackle this as something that I can't believe everyone else is doing it and I'm not moving. Bring someone along with you. I think part of this, I'm drinking some keto cream, by the way, right now as we speak. So part of this excitement is, wow, I have these amazing products. I want to share this product with other people. As a matter of fact, while I'm sharing this product with you, why don't you meet me? Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a bike ride. Let's go to the gym. Hey, instead of 7 o'clock watching our favorite show, why don't you come over? I moved all the furniture out the way. Why don't we do a workout routine together, you and me? You know what I mean? That sort of a thing. So I think accountability and movement is going to be key to really, truly see the best and biggest effects when taking your ketos.
Everybody's looking at it. Maybe they've never exercised before in their lives, right? I want to just play in a little tip. I've been very fortunate and blessed to be exposed to some of the top thought leaders or the top thought leaders in the research around ketosis and ketones. And Dr. Stephen Cunnane out of Canada said this. He goes, Dustin, you're waiting to say it to me, but I heard it to me as he said, when you move your body and you have ketones in your blood, it actually improves the uptake into your brain, which we all know that is such a important vessel to our body. And some people maybe been shunned with exercise or movement. Maybe they feel like it's just not their place. What's your tip of encouragement to that person that maybe has never done it? Well, actually, let me back up for a second. Maybe they think they have to go to the gym and work out hard as their movement or their exercise. What are some simple things that you can encourage them that they can start doing right now today to get their body moving, to get those ketones to elevate into their brain?
I don't know where you are in the world right now. I'm here in Los Angeles. It's about 6:16. You guys are here in the East Coast. It's 9:16. I'll be talking to you for a little while. My encouragement is one of two things. As soon as we hang up this call, go outside with the husband, with the wife, with the family. Turn the TV off. Just go outside and go for a walk. Add some movement into your day before your day is done. Let's say it's too late. You're exhausted. Set your alarm clock right now. I'm saying right now, set your alarm clock, because if you're doing that, and I pray that you're now giving yourself an opportunity, a reminder to say, when I wake up at this time, this is my time. Okay? Here's an opportunity for you to give yourself a 5 a.m., a 6 a.m., a 7 a.m. wake up time to do what I just said. Get outside the house if it's East Coast. Stay in your living room. Sit on your couch and stand up 20 times. Go on your knees. Do 5 or 10 push-ups. Grab something out your cabinet that has some weight to it and start picking it up and work your arms. My point is, if you can give yourself 20 simple minutes of movement, your ketones will thank you. Your bodies will thank you. Exactly what Dustin said, the reaction from the ketones going to your body, giving you that, even that additional clarity is going to come into play as you're adding that blood flow. But if you won't get that blood flow if you're not in motion. So I encourage you to take 20 minutes, 30 minutes out of your day. That's it. Just 20 to 30 minutes out of your day and get to moving. I'm sitting up and down on my couch. I'm grabbing some sort of water jug or something. I'm going to curl my arms. I'm going to lay on my back. I'm going to do some crunches, take care of my stomach, take care of my legs, and I'm going to move. Guys, I promise you'll feel better.
So I'm gonna catch this one more time, just so y'all get this, is that you're telling me right now I don't have to go join a gym. I don't have to go and buy a bunch of equipment. You're telling me right now I don't have to make this complicated. What we can do is we can use anything around the house to start moving our body. We can use our feet. Our tennis shoes are our best friends right now. Get them on, go move. My mom's from Minnesota. It's a little bit cold out there. And I'm like, hey, you got steps in your house. Just walk up and down those steps. And you, I think you hit it on the head, is your body will love you for it, right? Just get out and start moving. Do what you can. Over the next 8 weeks, you're going to see that grow.
So guys, I just love this. As you can see, these are just little tidbits and they're so doable. It's just normal reality of life that if you take a step back and stop making it so complicated, that it can be done. So I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of kind of what it looks like. It does tell you a ton of stuff right here. As you walk through the modules, it will unlock and you have even more live coaching. Now I always get this, do you have to do the diet as far as the keto diet, the ketosis diet, the ketogenic diet? And no, you don't. You do not have to do that. That is where the drinks come into play. So as you can see, it has everything. You will learn so much when you do the 10-day challenge to move you into this 8-week challenge. So as you can see, I'll come here. Here's the 10-day guide. It gives you every step down what you need. So there's no questions of, hey, what did I do? What do I need, to do? Blah, 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 blah. So it has everything for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope to see you in the 10-day challenge this month, June. If not, next month. And if you're watching this in the future, then I hope that you will reach out to me and we will get you scheduled to start the 10-day challenge so that way you can move into the 8-week challenge and get that amazing coaching from not only Dolvett Quince, but also Torrie Wilson. So I have another video kind of showing her coaching down below so you can scroll. All right, you guys, have an amazing and wonderful day. So you guys, let's go do this together. Let's get healthy. Let's use this time to do something we thought we never could. All right, now make sure you guys remember to hit subscribe. And if you have any questions, put it in the comments below. And if you are interested in feeling your body and getting healthy from the inside, make sure you check my links down in the description on what I do to have a daily healthy routine.